Hey everybody, Rich here. I'm going to do a review of my previous review. Hi everyone, Rich here. I'm going to review my previous review. Hi everyone, Rich here. I'm going to do a review of my previous review. Hi everyone, Rich here. I'm going to review my previous video. Hey everyone, Rich here. I'm going to do a review of my previous review. Hey everyone, Rich here. I'm going to do a review of my previous review. Hey everyone, Rich here. I'm just going to do a review of my previous review. Hey everyone, Rich here. I just had a few issues with the unboxing I shot recently, so just gonna review it. Hey there YouTube, Rich Massey here. Just gonna do an unboxing for you. I got a package in the mail. I wanted to unbox it. It's a I'm assuming it's ordered a couple of VGA cables to go into my monitor, a couple of backups for this here. Let's go and have a look. Indeed. Two VGA cables. So these will go into plug in the back of your monitor. I have a Mac Pro tower. I go into the back of Mac Pro and into the monitor. I just wanted a few backups. You can use these if you're gonna use a PC or a Mac. VGA is a 15 pin plug, and these will go right in. And of course, if you don't have a VGA, you can always get an adapter. I can do a video about that later too. These look to be pretty good. They're wrapped in a nice plastic. They have a nice look. The plug is blue, and this is nice, and it feels nice too. If you rubbing it, and then the cord is kind of like a slick black here, and that has its own sort of appeal to kind of feel it smooth, and it looks robust to me. So anyway, these things look great. Thanks for watching the unboxing. Alright, so the main issue I had there was that I spoke mostly about how the cord felt in my hands and less about its functionality. It is plugged into the monitor right now, so they are working. But I felt upon reviewing it that I should have spoken more about the technical side of the cord and less about how it felt. So that was my main issue with it. Thank you. So my main issue with this review is that it was just a touch self-critical. I'm trying to be more positive in my work and more feeling good. And I thought that this was unnecessarily critical of my unboxing, and that it took it in a direction that I didn't appreciate personally. Thank you. Well, my issue with this past one was that I felt that I handled myself with kid gloves a little bit. Part of being creative is being able to take criticism, and I felt that I should have just taken the criticism. It's part of growing as a person. It's a healthy part of being creative, and I'm able to take it. If you want to leave comments, that will help too. Thank you. Well, the problem with this one was that I overshared a bit, and I'm not comfortable with that. I showed multiple shades of my personality, which I thought was unnecessary. What I should have done was focused on the technical side of the video that I was reviewing, as opposed to diving down a dark personal hole. Live and learn. Well, this one just wasn't lit correctly. It was too dark. Well, this last review I actually quite liked. It was, in terms of content, it was succinct and to the point, and technically sound. It was lit well, and I thought that the composition was good, and I also thought that my on-camera presence was very, very engaging. Thank you. I have some major problems with this last review. It was cocky and boastful, and those are two things I do not consider myself. I'm ordinarily very humble, and I do not recognize that person in the previous review. I deeply, deeply dislike it. Thank you. I'm sure a lot of you were turned off by that previous review. It was hostile, it was angry, it was aggressive, and it was just plain loud. And I'm going to come out and just apologize for that. To anyone watching, I am sorry. I have since calmed down. Thank you.